kwazivai vana veAfrica, vana veZimbabwe, vana veKenya, vana veUganda, Zambia, Malawi, Mozambique, South Africa, Botswana, Namibia, Angola, DRC, Congo, Ghana, nyika dzose dzakakomberedza Africa nenyika dzekunze mhiri kwemakungwa kunze kweAfrica. Tinoti muimbi kuvanhu muimbi ngatsigiro zvine mutsindo. Right. Nhasi iwo musi vechina Dito Rishitiro 24 October 2024 again. When DJ Bataienkosi Kabasa power mvurana na mvura mchirimo Kuti Taaa. One is some talk akaona mbongoro ichibara mwezi wa kunyana Kuti Taaa. Today we've got our sister from Kenya, Sister Elizabeth Masai. Sister Elizabeth, we welcome you today on our program when you have a single track launch, call it Hosanna. We published it today on the 24th October 2024. How are you, our sister?
Hello, my people from Africa. Thank you again, DJ Kabasa Power, for this platform. I'm fine, thank you, and I thank God.
Thank you, Sister Elizabeth Masai. We welcome you again. I think it's our third time to have you on this platform, Matitaka Tandara, and today we are so glad because we produce a new song, and the song, they've got a weight. It's too heavy. That's more than the previous project you did before. Right. Sister Elizabeth, can you tell the world today, how long are you taking to organize, to compose, do the results, final recording until you mastering to be a perfect song we have today, call it Hosanna? How long are you taking to do the good job like this? People out there today, we've got our sister, our mother, our pastor, our parent, our teacher also. The best educator, she preaching through music, creating good sounds. The song called it Hosanna from Sister Elizabeth Masai. Sister, can you tell us also what is the meaning of Hosanna? Because there are lots of people, we just know, yes, Hosanna, but we don't know exactly what is the meaning of that. We publish it today. If you need it now, before I share here in this platform, you can go to YouTube, just write on the YouTube, Elizabeth Masai, Hosanna 2024 production. You can see it in weight. Kuti Taaa. Hey, family, this song touched my heart too much today. Hey. I was very stressed, but now stress-free because of Sister Elizabeth Masia from Kenya, gospel artist. We don't give the single track today, call it Hosanna. Take a listen a little bit.
Thank you, brother. This year, August, is when I did the video with Prudent Photographies. So the duration for recording the audio, probably 1 month. And then 1 year down the line is when I did the video. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Thank you so much, our sister. Okay, you say you start on August to be serious with the practice and That's the time also you enter in the studio to recording this project we published today on the 24th of October, right? Sister, we want to know the message inside the good song you sing in here, Osana. What is the message inside the song? Because I can't hear proper, I just hear where, there and there, but I wish to have a full understanding of the song track Osana 2024 production from Sister Elizabeth Masai. 1000%. I now, when I repeat to listen from your answer, then I get you correctly. Now you say you take a long, like a period of 1 year, 12 months, or more than that period. That's why the song comes strong, more than the previous projects you did. Right. Sister, can you telling us when you doing this project, Osana, which people helping you to playing the keyboard, guitars, if it's there, drums, everything? And I hear in your big voice also, we have the second, third voices. Who people work together with you for the backing vocals and the instruments? Even the guy or the person producer who produced the project, we want to know him or to know her also. Everyone put their hand in this project. Can you explain us today who's those people they doing the great job like this?
Hello, sorry for the technical error again. But Hosanna is a praise song that I got from the scriptures when the people were coming with the donkeys, and Jesus Christ was sitting on top of the donkey, and they were celebrating, singing Hosanna, Hosanna to the one in heaven. So basically, Hosanna means it is a praise song, and it means that in English it is a Hosanna to the one in heaven. So we'll be singing Hosanna in heaven and here on earth. So for the rest of my life, for the rest of our lives, from life to eternity, we will be singing Hosanna. Basically, Hosanna is a praise song.
Thank you so much, sister. We're still waiting for the answer. We want to know the people who are working together with you on this project. So now when we are waiting for the answer from you, we can just listen the good song, call it Hosanna, by you, Elizabeth Masai, the gospel artist, the pastor, the mother of the Africa, the best artist today. When we produce a single track, call it Hosanna, we launch it now live here on Mimanzitaka Tandara Music, the world chat group, Kuti Taaa. Right. We can listen a little bit when we are waiting for your answers.
Once again, I would like to say that I have my producer, the producer for this song. The producer is one, Brooks, the producer. That one is the instrumentalist. You see, here in Kenya, we don't do a lot of live recordings like people do in South Africa. It is now that people are beginning to embrace the live recordings. So in this song, I didn't do a live recording. I just did the recording. So it is Brooks, the producer, who was the pianist, the keyboardist, the guitarist, and everything that we see in you hear in that song is his brains. And then there was a cousin of mine by the name Matthew. He helped me with the writing, and another brother called Alan. He did me with the writing of the song.
Thank you so much, our sister Elizabeth Masai, the #1 musician in Africa today here on Masai Tandara. Right. Sister, what is the challenges you facing when the time you was busy with this project, Osana? And at the same time, can you telling us how people are welcoming this project as compared with other project you did last time, 2022, 2023? Can you tell us about this project?
Was also part and parcel of this. And then with the mastering, it is just Brooks, the producer, who did the mastering. You can hear some backups behind the song. That was I was recording the soloing and then doing the backups. You back up with the first voice, the second voice, the third voice, and then they merge it together, so it becomes a harmony. So all the backups were mine except for one male artist who helped me with the backup. And then the video, you can see there were those women, those were the church women and the other of my friends, and that was it. And the whole crew was done.
All over you are, guys. We beg you. We need you on our YouTube channel. You just write Elizabeth Masai. Then you can see a lot of projects what she did in music industry of Africa. Today we launched this single track, Hosanna. So we beg you. We need your votes. We need your subscribers. Like, share. Then our musician can grow up in the music industry. She can reach where we wish her to reach. But if we can't do that, she can go nowhere.
Sorry, I truly don't know what is happening to this phone today. But I was saying the challenges that I've been having through this project is maybe the first thing is financial problems, because like you have to do a lot of things. You have to do the audio recording, the video recording. You have to have some good money so that you can do a good quality song and a good quality video. And again, there is aspect of time management. That is it. That has been my greatest challenge. And the reception of this song was very nice. People are eagerly waiting for it. I forgot to mention a brother of mine, brother Jeremiah Mutoto from Uganda. He has been also a good source of help through this project. Thank you.
Thank you, Sister Elizabeth Masai, for what you're saying. You say, no, the only challenge you face when you are busy doing this project of 2024 was cash finance. Since you was doing together audio, the song, Osana, and the video at the same time. Thank you so much. Right. Sister, I want to know, are you starting doing the live shows on your music career or not yet? If you are doing, we want to know the fan base of yours. People are supporting your shows or no, they can't supporting proper the way you like it. And also we want to know, are you doing the collab in the shows if you are doing, or in the recordings? I know previously you have a collab song with other musicians, but we want to know even today, are you still doing the same things?
I have not yet done the live recordings. I am still in the progress. Beginning this Sunday, we'll be meeting with some people so that we can plan on how to do the live recordings. Thank you.
are very sorry, guys. We see the network both sides give us a very big problem. We have the challenge of the network. Masai yedu arikuita achidambuka asi tinoti naizvozvo Mwari mupenyu anotiona anovakapa vaimbi vedu zvipo. Muzoro nhasi tanga tiri kuloncha kambo kanonzi Osana kubva kuna Sister Elizabeth Masai from Kenya, muimba nembanziyo dzegospel. Tichange tinawo zvakare musi vemugovera pachirongwa dzotungana nyanzvi apo vachangwa pamwe chete zvavo naSister Samida Ndauta pamwe nechikomana chine chiri pakati pevanhukadzi pemakosikazi brother wenyasha and the jazz riders. Tichange tinawo on Saturday same time 1900 up to 2000 p.m. dzosangana dzichitungana nyanzvi zvine mutsindo kuti ta together with the DJ Bataienkosi Kabasa power one munhu akaona mbongoro ichibara mwedzi wagunyana kuti ta. We're still waiting a little bit. We can beg you again. We just need a favor for 10 minutes only to proceed our program today with our Sister Elizabeth Masai. Sister, we see you've got a challenge of network all over. We are not on your side, on my side also. I changed the number now because the other line, they just cut off the network and say no, only emergency calls. But I thank God they give us the second opportunity to proceed our program. Okay, let's go back. Thank you so much, Sister Elizabeth, for what you are saying. All over the world, the guys there, as a people of Africa, we've got one skin, one heart, one Father, only our God, who makes us with different faces, different hearts, different voices, different brain. But our goal is enjoying the life. And the same God gives us the different varied musicians in gospel, jazz, sungura, kanindo, kwasa, rumba, trad music, jazz, Afrofusion. To try to remove our stresses when you are stressing, we come on the position through the music messages. Sister Elizabeth, can you tell us today, what are you aiming for your wish through this project, Osana 2024 production we published today?
Thank you, brother. My main aim or my wish this year about this project Osana is that it reaches out to the world, because the purpose of my music ministry is to sell people and to reconcile people with Jesus Christ. So my wish is that this song reaches out to the people in the world and to spread to the people the gospel of Jesus Christ to the world, so that people can praise him. That is my wish.
Thank you so much, Sister, our mother. Today you are our mother, although you are a little to us, but you are our mother through the message you're preaching outside there through music. You are a teacher, you are a leader, you are a world leader, a society leader, a community preacher, a world parent. Sister, now we're going to close our program today. What is the message you wish to live in the world today through the project you was put into the world also? And as from now, we're starting to share this song, but we're begging our viewers, our listeners also to go to the YouTube and subscribe, like it, share, download and share also. When I share the song here, I can try to share the song and the video at the same time. Then people can share and spread the message. We have got a newborn. We've got a newborn child who brought today by the God through the sister, our mother, Elizabeth Masai from Kenya. The name of the newborn is Osana. ndoti kune vese vanga vari pano vakatiteerera nhasi. Aiwa, Mwari akuitire zvidhafu. Tinotenda nemukana wamatipa chirongwa chedu chasvika kwamvura yacheka makumbo toperera pano. Sister Elizabeth, we're gonna be together with you again on Saturday when you are together with your sister Samida Ndauta and your brother Wenyasha and the Jazz Riders. We see through this project you have got a big muscles. Your forearm are so tangible also. Your feet, even your squats, are very strong to stand in. Middle of the two artists from Zimbabwe, yet you are only one from Kenya. We thank you so much. We're just waiting for you for the last message, the words you wish to say bye-bye and to close the program today when you was doing the launch of the Hosanna by you. Thank you so much, our sister. Thank you, everyone in Manzitaka Tandara. That's what we were doing always. Tomorrow also, we've got a launch with the guy from Matebeleland in Zimbabwe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my people from Africa, from all over the world. I want to thank you, Brother DJ Kabas Power. The name is so hard, but I thank you. I thank you for giving me this platform. My dear people from all over the world, kindly subscribe, like, share, view, and it will be a blessing to you. Thank you once again. It's your girl, your teacher, your preacher, Elizabeth Masai, your minister. Thank you.